This is the nature of change. If you resist it, you have frustration and suffering. But on the other hand, if you understand change, you don't cling to it, and you let it flow, then it's no problem. It becomes positively beautiful. Is as true in our lives as they go on now from moment to moment. There are long intervals and short intervals. High vibrations and low vibrations. So we are living, as it were, on many, many levels of rhythm. Which is why in poetry, when Shelley says, "The one remains, the many change and pass. Heaven's light forever shines, earth's shadows fly.